Threading tools with coolant channels. Iscar is expanding its range of lay-down square shank tools by adding new jet high-pressure tools and threading adapters with channels for high-pressure coolant. It's usually impossible to break chips with standard external coolant pressure on exotic alloys, such as Inconel and titanium. But high-pressure coolant provides excellent chip breaking results. High-pressure coolant can also solve chip breaking problems on some metal alloys and stainless steel, particularly for low feeds, and reduce or even eliminate built-up edge phenomenon, especially when machining stainless steel and high-temperature alloys. The use of high-pressure coolant is growing as manufacturers seek ways to reduce cutting time, improve machining process reliability, and achieve longer tool life. Iscar's jet high-pressure tools provide all of these advantages. Jet high-pressure coolant channels have been integrated into many of Iscar's tools, including jet high-pressure threading adapters carrying lay-down threading inserts, SER jet high-pressure external threading tools for 16mm inserts with 20, 25, and 32mm square shanks, and Pentacut Jet Cut 24 grooving, parting, threading, and recessing tools, which carry Penta inserts. The multi-connection jet high-pressure line includes parting, grooving, threading, and turning tools for VDI tool holders with a bottom-fed coolant system. The system consists of specially designed jet high-pressure MC turning and grooving tools with a bottom coolant inlet hole and VDI tool holders featuring a long coolant outlet slot that enables adjustment of the tool's overhang. Iscar's jet high-pressure tools have proven to be highly effective in the aviation, aerospace, and medical industries, where machining difficult-to-machine metals is a common issue.